In 1969, two men walked on the moon for the first time. But did you know they left a secret message behind? Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin didn't just plant the American flag. They carried a tiny silicon disc about the size of a coin. This disc held goodwill messages from 73 world leaders, wishing peace and unity to humanity's greatest journey into the cosmos. Richard Nixon, may the spirit of peace in which we came be reflected in the lives of all mankind. Pope Paul VI. We pray for this wonderful beginning. This little disc is still there today, quietly sitting on the moon as a message to the universe. Humanity's unity is written in the stars. What other secrets do we leave behind as we explore the cosmos? Follow Impulsive Vibes to uncover more.